Hey natural ladies, welcome to my natural hair journey. I am Joy. I've been natural since 2015. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to be using my water bottle with warm water in it, my Kuza Naturals leave-in conditioner, the star of the show, the Lala defining curl custard, the avocado oil, and my Yale Organics mint almond oil for my scalp. So my hair is freshly washed. I have washed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair. So now I'm about to pin my hair up and show you guys how I moisturize the first section. And as I told you guys before, I moisturize the whole entire section, like one section at a time first, and then I start a subsection to start twisting in that section. So this is what my curls look like fresh out of the shower. So I'm about to spray it down again because my hair dries really fast. So spraying it down with hot water so my cuticles can open up to let in this leave-in that I'm about to put in. And I do the praying hands method just to make sure my hair is all saturated in the water. And I'm showing y'all my curls again with just water, no product. So we are using the Kuza Naturals Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. It is my favorite. I won't be looking for a new one anytime soon. So yeah, so now I'm going to rub this all throughout my hair. And I don't usually do this, but I'm going to detangle with the Dimming brush because I did a really good detangling in the shower, so I feel good using the Dimming brush today. And I don't advise you using the Dimming brush if you haven't done a good detangle already, because this will snap the crap out of your hair. But yeah, and this is a knockoff Dimming brush, so yeah, don't try to quote me on it. So here's to the start of the show and why you all are here. The Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Curl Defining Custard. Kayla! 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 So my hands were way too slippery to open this. I had to call my brother to hand me the towel so I could open it up. But so it's shaky like a I guess like a souffle, but they call theirs a custard. So this is the consistency of it. It's more like a cream, but still like a souffle, like, because it's bouncy. But anyway, so now I'm rubbing it in my hands. I'm about to put that all in this whole entire section too. And then when I'm twisting it, basically what I'm going to do is just reactivate it with water if I feel like it dries out. And then I'll probably add some more custard as I see fit when I need it. So right now I'm just making sure I got on all of the strands, making sure I got my ends, also trying to see how well it defines the curls. And actually it was doing a really good job. So I'm about to add some more water to see if I can activate them even more and get the custard all in there. But it did a great job at defining my curls. So now I'm going back through with the Dimming brush to make sure my hair is all detangled. Now I'm using my oil because, like I said, we're doing the LCO method. So now I'm putting my avocado oil on my hair last, and then and of course, y'all know me, I'm detangling again. Make sure it's no tangles. So my hair just tends to tangle back up. But now I'm showing y'all the ends and what it looks like. And I already did those twists. My camera had went out of focus when I was doing those. Plus, you guys have seen me twist before. The only difference in these twists is I fully detangle my hair because I'm only going to separate the twist one time. I'm not going to like fully separate it. So yeah, this is just going to be a basic twist out, and I'm just going to be twisting my hair in the way that my natural curls fall. But other than that, I don't do anything special. I just twist the hair like a regular twist, and that's about it. You guys have seen me twist my hair before, so it's not much that I can really say different. If you want more details, then you can go watch one of my actual twist out videos. The purpose of this video is to review this actual product, and we'll see like how it keeps my hair moisturized, what it does. You know, you guys saw that it actually did do a great job at defining my curls. I don't know how it would be if I did like a wash and go and then put gel on it, but we did see it did a good job at defining. So I think it would be really good if you used it and then put gel on top of it to you know, help define your curls for a wash and go. But anyway, so we're almost through this twist, and I'm just going to coil the hair around the bottom of my finger when I'm done. So I didn't go through twisting my whole hair on camera, because if you guys want to see a twist out, I have a lot of twist out videos already of me installing my twist. But I was just hoping that this did not cause any like excess residue or flaking in my hair, but I did put as much product as I would usually use in with my other products, because I want to actually see how this product, you know, really works. But anyway, so now I'm putting the oil in my scalp, the Mael oil in my scalp, because you guys know I suffer with dry and itchy scalp. So yeah, I'm just massaging that all in there, and I guess I'm gonna put some more. Ooh girl, that feels so good. Yes it does. I know. So now I'm just going to rub it all in my hands and rub it on the outside of my hair, because this oil does say in a bottle that is for, you know, helping with shine too. So I'm going to rub it all throughout my hair on the outside of this twist. So now I'm just going to give you guys a close-up so y'all can see how the twists are looking. This is the bottom of the twist. I do need my ends clipped. Don't mind that though. So now I'm going to let these dry. This is the next night. I let them dry throughout the day. I did some of the dryer a little bit too, because they seemed like they were staying a little bit more wet than usual. But anyway, so now we are about to do the takedown, and I am going to let you guys watch me take these down, and I'm going to be using the Mael oil again to do the takedown with these, and this is the mint almond oil. So I'm just going to rub it in my hands and then rub it on the outside of my twist again, like you guys saw when I finished twisting them. I'm going to do the exact same thing before I take them out, so I can make sure the oil is all out and it I don't cause too much frizz, because my hair is like prone to frizz for some reason. Like even though I have definition and volume, it's like frizz. I be having frizz. But anyway, so now I'm about to show you guys how I take my twist down, and I really don't do anything special when I take them down either. I do twist it the opposite way that I twist it, and then I pull it away from each other. But you'll see me doing it like different ways. Like sometimes I turn it around like this and then open it up, and then sometimes I'll just open it up in the middle. Something else I would do sometimes is this, twist it around my finger so the twist can fall the way it's supposed to, and I twist it around my finger the way that I actually twisted the twist. So and that's just to make sure that the twist isn't like not messed up, but turned the wrong way, because sometimes the twist will bend in the middle. So twirling it around will just make it fall the way it's supposed to. And they're gonna be doing it again. Anyway, so I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching, and yeah. And then sometimes I just open it in the middle. Like, it just depends on, I guess, what mood I'm in, what I'm taking it down. And look, right there, I twisted it around and then open it in the middle. But it doesn't matter, especially when your hair is fully detangled the way I did it. Your hair usually just opens up on its own anyway without causing any frizz or any, you don't disturb the twist at all. So this product worked really good with my regular products that I always use. It did not leave any excess residue. It did not give me any flaking. It did really good. So I'm going to actually use it again so you guys can really see how it works when I like fully take out my twist out, so we can see how put it against my other products, and we'll see. So this twist out turned out really great, ladies. I'm so thankful to Aunt Jackie's for sending me this product. I think this gave me the okay to use it again. It was good hold, good definition, no frizz, no flakiness. So yeah, we'll be using this again, so stay tuned to see how this product works for other styles.